Hey, it's Nicole, and this is your last tutorial. This will just be a review of everything we've done, and I'll show you through my program and show you what you'll need to have. Okay, so at the top here you'll see that I've imported two things, the scanner, and I don't think we actually used this, but I've imported this as well. Okay, so here's just saying I'm the author. Here are all the variables I've declared. You should have some similar ones to these. So it's just the scanner objects, the name, menu array, the user balance, bet option, bet amount, pot, the boolean for double or nothing. This was used a bit further down, and also the dice. Okay, so here's the first method I've made, which is just using the simple system out print. And this method goes to the next method, which is the main menu. And this welcomes the user because they've already typed their name in, and it also prints out the menu. Now for the menu we've used the for statement, and it prints out the menu array. And then down here it asks for the user's input to put in what menu item they want to use. And the menu uses the switch case statements, which we just used in the last tutorial. And depending what they choose, it will use that code under the case. So let's say they choose start game, it will run the start game method. If they choose instructions, it will print out the right instructions using the from the instruction class. So as we go down, here's the game start. It initially sets double or nothing to false. There's a if statement here. If the user's balance is less or equal to 0, it automatically says that we've run out of money. And then it sets them back to the welcome screen. But during the initial play, they'd obviously still have the full amount of money. And here it's just saying how much money they have and if they'd want to play double or nothing. And then I've used another switch for the input, whether they've chosen normal or double, or the quit option. So if they've chosen normal, it'll just carry on to a normal game. If I've chosen double, it will set double or nothing to true and then go to the next stage. So in the next stage they pick which side of the dice they want to bet with. It will ask for their input. This if statement makes sure they've chosen a valid input, so it has to be between 1 and 6. And if double or nothing is true, it just goes straight to the double game. Else it directs them to choose their bet option. They type in like how much they want to bet, and it ensures that they've got enough money to bet. Then it goes on to the game, or the game result. Oh, sorry. First it rolls the dice, then gets the number, and it's setting the pot to a random number, and then it gives you the result. Either they've won or they've lost, and then it outputs how much money they've got left. And then it will go back to the start of the game and repeat until they've got no money. If they've chosen the double, it does the same thing, except either they have no money left or double their money. So when it goes back to the start of the game, they'll have no money, so it will send them back to the welcome screen. Now, all that I've got in the main method is a welcome method because you don't need anything else because everything is linked to each other. So generally in programming, your main method should not be too cluttered. And yeah, that's pretty much my program. Here's a look at my dice class. It's just got one method in it, roll dice, which just generates a random number between 1 and 6. And here's my instructions, which just also has one method, write instructions, which just prints out this array of instructions. So I'm using a bit of arrays in this program. So you should be able to do all this, because I've gone through all of these things in my previous tutorials. But if you have any questions, comments, or anything, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. So yeah, you should be able to make this entire game now, so go ahead. Bye.